Saving for your retirement can get a little confusing. From traditional IRAs to 401ks, choosing what type of account to open in order to save for your retirement can be a difficult process. Because of these options, you might find yourself spending a lot of time trying to figure out which type of account is best for you. For example, traditional IRAs can be great, but they tend to lock you into paper asset investments such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. For that reason, self-directed IRAs are becoming a more viable option for retirees who want the freedom to not only invest in paper assets, but also into precious metals. Self-directed IRAs give you the liberty to convert your retirement savings into precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, or palladium. And here at Allegiance Gold, we have all those options to choose from. To find out how you can roll over an existing IRA or open a new self-directed IRA and choose your precious metals, call Allegiance Gold today. For more information, call us today at 844-790-9191 and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.